Today, I'll teach you 30 powerful phrasal verbs that will boost your fitness vocabulary instantly. Let's get you speaking like a pro. Work out. Meaning, to exercise. I work out at the gym every morning. She works out to stay fit and healthy. Warm up. Meaning, to do light exercises before a workout. Don't forget to warm up before running. He always warms up for 10 minutes. Cool down. Meaning, light activity after exercise to relax muscles. We cooled down by walking slowly. It's important to cool down after an intense workout. Cut down on. Meaning, to reduce something, usually unhealthy. I'm cutting down on sugar to lose weight. Doctors say you should cut down on junk food. Bulk up. Meaning, to gain muscle. He's bulking up for a bodybuilding competition. I want to bulk up a little this winter. Get in shape. Meaning, to become fit and healthy. She joined yoga classes to get in shape. I need to get in shape before summer. Stay off. Meaning, to avoid something harmful. Stay off sugary drinks if you want abs. I'm staying off fried food this month. Pick up a habit. Meaning, to start a new habit. I picked up jogging during the lockdown. She picked up healthy eating after her illness. Give up. Meaning, to stop doing something. He gave up smoking last year. I want to give up fast food for good. Tone up. Meaning, to make muscles firm and strong. These exercises will help you tone up your arms. She's trying to tone up before her wedding. Work off. Meaning, to get rid of calories or stress by doing physical activity. I worked off the pizza by running 5 miles. He works off stress by lifting weights. Take up. Meaning, to start a new habit, sport, or activity. She took up swimming to stay fit. I've recently taken up cycling. Burnout. Meaning, to become extremely tired due to overworking. He burned out after training too hard every day. Don't burn out. Take time to rest. Pump up. Meaning, to build muscle or get excited before a workout. These exercises really pump up your arms. The coach pumped up the team before the game. Now you know the most powerful health and fitness phrasal verbs. Start using them in your daily English and sound just like a native speaker. Thanks for watching my channel, Only English Vocabulary.